Sorry, my viewers. You know I love you.
Yeah.
So right now, we're going to.
Yeah, show them the view.
I'm the view, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, still see the view. Okay, so where are we going right now, Atarf?
We're going to the city center.
We're going to the city center right now.
And then we'll go to Bath Abbey.
To Bath Abbey, alright. And then we'll go to Boots. He has to buy some, I don't know what. Then we'll go to Holborn Museum.
Yeah.
And then we'll go to uni.
Yeah.
Because okay. Because we have some really important work to do. And we'll tell you that later.
Yeah.
And yeah, just stay tuned. Hi guys. So we just got down at the bus stop, and here you can see this is called Thermae Bath Spa. यहाँ पे लोग स्पा करने आते हैं. हम भी जाएंगे, बट अभी
जब पैसे आएंगे.
अभी पैसा नहीं है. आएंगे of course. Okay, so we are outside Bath Abbey, and this is Bath Abbey. Oh my god, can you see it? Isn't it beautiful? तो अभी हम इसके अंदर जाएंगे, है ना. अभी अंदर से दिखाएंगे तुमको कैसा लगता है बाथ एबी. ठीक है, तो स्टे ट्यून्ड, है ना. So we are outside Bath Abbey, and we were not allowed to record, but we have recorded a few shots just for you guys.
Yeah.
Just for them. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah. And
On your left
yeah.
are the Roman baths.
Because we have the student cards and it's free.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, but like you can go and come back real quick.
Yeah, of course. Just for them. Just for them, okay?
See, this was not in our plan. But
This
we are
was
going.
not. This is just for you guys, okay? यहाँ से है ना entry?
No, this is the restaurant side.
Okay, from there. Okay. So यहाँ से this is Bath Abbey.
It's like Indian lighting. No?
तो अभी हम रोमन बाथ जा रहे हैं. अभी कैमरे का टिकट ना ले लें, but हम figure out a way. Alright. So guys, we're finally inside Roman baths, and this is the directions. And you guys know why are we here. It's just because of you guys.
Yeah.
Otherwise this was not in the script, you know. Yeah, so we'll show you inside now. This guy has to go to the washroom. Yeah, and I'll just take a walk around. Oh my god, just look at this, so beautiful, and the inside is even more beautiful. So just stay tuned for that. Alright, we'll show you the place. Like, the Romans discovered this place in don't ask me when, but they did. So yeah, here it is. Woo! This is the Roman baths right here, and this is the Bath Abbey where we just went. And so the Romans used to take a bath over here, so that's why it's called Bath, the city, you know, just because of this green thing right here, this green water body.
It's not algae, okay?
It's not algae. It's like pure water, and at the end, okay, I won't.
Steam as well.
Oh really? Yeah. So
it's hot actually.
So we are going to show you some cinematic shots now, all right, of these. So you can see these are the 12. I think they are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there are 9 right now. I don't know where the other 3 went, because when I came here last time, when I came for myself, but this time I'm coming for you guys.
Yeah.
When I came for myself, I think I remember seeing 12.
Yeah.
But
during the last year,
yeah,
I came to Roman Baths.
Really?
The day before I left to India.
Oh really?
So this time also.
Oh, was it this time of the year?
Yeah, that was 14th December.
That was 14th.
And I left on 15th December.
Really?
Yeah.
And today is 16th December.
And I'm leaving on.
And he's leaving tomorrow. So it's like a big deja vu.
Yeah.
So this
And I
is
came
how
with
it is.
one friend as well that time.
Really?
And now again I'm coming with one friend.
Oh. Oh, that's such a
Next
great
year I hope
coincidence.
I come with a girl.
Yeah. Me as well. Yeah. Okay, so abhi we are going to the niche wala floor of the Roman baths.
But we are not going to take a bath here. Okay?
Yeah, we definitely not going to take a bath because it's very cold outside.
No, but the water is hot, but it's not allowed.
Oh yeah, the water is hot, but you know, due to COVID season, we are not allowed to take a bath. So I think that's a shame. So yes, of course. So this is a very good place. This is called the theatre. So this is where the Romans used to watch film. You see this? That's nice theatre. Yeah. See? I'm just kidding though. Acha, हाँ yeah. Wait. ये ना ऐसा है. If you see this, so this is like, you know, University of Bath logo. So it's that. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Yeah. This one right here. Yeah. This. So where are we going right now? Wait, just hold it. Let me tie my laces. Otherwise, I'm gonna fall. I'm falling again. Falling. And here's some few stones. I don't know what. I don't know why they're kept here. This is head of Sulis Minerva. Okay, now don't ask me what's Sulis Minerva. Alright. So sorry?
You showed the back side.
Oh, I didn't show them. Oh, sorry. So this one looks like Alexander the Great. You know who else is great? You know. Okay. Now we're going to Sacred Spring. Alright?
Listen.
Yeah.
We erect altars at places where great streams burst.
Oh my god, I don't know what he's talking about, but that's very double meaning. So yeah, we just finally reached this place, you know, the lower level of like closer to the spring. This is the Roman drain. Yeah, here they used to shit, and it used to come from there. So we'll show you outside now, alright? So can you tell us a little bit about this place?
This is the Great Bath,
Yeah.
So this is where I come to relax, meet friends, socialise,
Yeah.
drink, eat, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
There's a gymnasium through there.
Oh, really?
You can exercise.
Uh-huh.
And then in the East Baths, just through here, is where you get your treatments stuff.
Oh, okay.
So massage, facial, oil, ritual, hair removal, that kind of thing. So I'm going to go in and bathe again soon, I think.
Sorry?
I'm going to bathe soon.
Oh,
Go to the
really?
bar.
Oh,
Yeah.
Over here?
Yes.
Oh, so you allowed?
Well, yes, I'm very important around here, so I can do what I want, you see.
Oh, really?
My husband, he paid to have the bath built. He's very rich.
Oh.
So I can go in whenever I like,
Oh, so it's yours.
basically,
Oh.
yes. Are you going in?
We no, we're like.
If your husband allows us.
Sorry?
If your husband allows us. we'll-
Yes, he said it's fine, yes.
Yeah.
You're very welcome to go in, yes.
Okay.
Just get your treatments done first and then you can join me in there.
So we are with. What's your name?
Lady Flavia.
Lady Flavia. So it's the Roman bath is hers, and so we are very privileged to interview her. Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank
And
you.
so thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Nice to
And
see
now
you.
we'll be.
Enjoy your bathing.
Of course.
treatment.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
So yes, that was the interview with Lady Flavia. So guys, here you can see.
चलिए कि हम लोग दोनों बढ़ते हैं तो
तो अभी हम यहाँ सिक्के फेंकने वाले हैं। बेटा अभी मत फेंकना, बढ़िया सा वीडियो बनाएंगे। तो यहाँ पे विशिंग वेल है, विशिंग वेल, ठीक है।
जूस वर्ल्ड वाला
तो
5 पेंस
ये 5 पेन, ये कि हम दोनों की सेटिंग बन जाए। यस, फेंक दिया। या सो दे यूज्ड टू हैव दिस वाटर, the Roman baths water. So right now I drank it once, like when I first came here.
How was it? I've never
It was very bitter, but it was full of medicinal values.
Okay.
You know, it can heal you.
Oh.
So yeah,
So it's like Ganga.
it's like basically Ganga Jal. Hello. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So we're in the souvenir shop. लेकिन यहाँ कुछ लेंगे नहीं हम, क्योंकि बहुत महंगा है। तो यहाँ से हम चलते हैं बाहर,
चलो.
है ना। तो अभी एट द मोमेंट देयर इज नो वाटर, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एग्जिट। होप यू एंजॉयड एंड सी यू गाइज इन Holborn.